Hi friends, Ankit this side from NDTV Gadget 360. The Indian EV car market has become very competitive and fiery. You will easily find EV cars in almost every price segment. Taking the pricing for further, Tata Motors has now introduced the facelift version of its Punch EV with battery as a service. Under this service, the ex-showroom price start at rupees 6.49 lakh as the battery cost is separated from the vehicle price. तो बैटरी एज ए सर्विस मॉडल को एक सिंपल भाषा में समझते हैं। आपने 6.49 लाख में टाटा से पंच का ईवी फेसलिफ्ट वर्जन खरीद लिया। इसके बाद आप इसको यूज करते हैं। आप घर से ऑफिस, ऑफिस से घर, उदाहरण के तौर पर मान लेते हैं कि आप एक महीने में ट्रैवल करते हैं 500 किलोमीटर और आपको पर किलोमीटर जो कंपनी को चार्ज देना है वो है 2.6। तो इस तरीके से आपको जो पूरी कॉस्टिंग पड़ेगी 500 किलोमीटर की वो होती है अराउंड 1300 रुपीज। तो आपको 1300 रुपीज 500 किलोमीटर का चार्ज आपको देना पड़ेगा। सो हाउएवर इफ यू वांट कि मैं इस गाड़ी को पूरा परचेज कर लेता हूं और मेरे को कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन सर्विस नहीं देनी है, तो आपको जो है मुंबई में इसकी एक्स शोरूम कीमत जो है वो पड़ेगी 9.69 लाख, जो जाती है 12.59 लाख तक। आपके ऊपर है, आपको बैटरी एज अ सर्विस मॉडल पे जाना है या आपको इसको कंप्लीट परचेज करना है। सो द कॉम्पैक्ट इलेक्ट्रिक एसयूवी इज ऑफर्ड इन 5 ट्रिम्स: स्मार्ट, स्मार्ट प्लस, Adventure, Empowered and Empowered Plus. Under the bonnet, you still get a frunk with usable space good enough for charging cable or small item. But the big change is underneath. Tata has now combined the motor and related components into one single compact unit. This makes the setup smaller, more cost effective and frees up extra space at the front. In the future, this could even mean a bigger frunk or better overall packaging. Talking about the exterior changes, the front design has been updated with a cleaner looking single grille with few vertical cuts. You will get the side curtains with functional air vent. Rear gets connected LED tail lamps and looks very much similar to its ICE version. However, ground clearance is increased by 5 mm. The new Tata Punch.EV facelift 2026 is more than just a cosmetic refresh. It is a significant mechanical upgrade that fixes the biggest concern for EV buyers. Range is a major concern for EV buyers and Tata has upgraded both of these in the facelifted version of Punch. The new facelift offer increased range and fast charging. So now, जो नई टाटा पंच EV है अब वो दो बैटरी कैपेसिटीज में आती है, 13 किलोवाट एंड 14 किलोवाट। अगर मैं इसके पुराने मॉडल की बात करूं तो वो आती थी सिर्फ दो मॉडल में, दैट इज 25 किलोवाट एंड 35 किलोवाट बैटरीज। अकॉर्डिंग टू टाटा मोटर्स, नाउ यू गेट अराउंड 100 किलोमीटर ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा रेंज ऑन बोथ वेरिएंट। पंच EV का जो नया फेसलिफ्ट वर्जन है वो अब 65 किलोवाट डीसी फास्ट चार्जिंग सपोर्ट करता है, जो इससे पहले 50 किलोवाट था। You can now top up from 20% to 80% in just 26 minutes. If we talk about the smart tech changes, so now the facelift of Tata Punch support OTA, over-the-air updates, smartwatch connectivity and voice commands in 6 different languages. In this facelift version, now you get big 10.25 infotainment screen and a 10.25 digital cluster, now more standard. The facelift is not just a cosmetic refresh, it brings bigger batteries, faster charging, better range, more tech feature, new styling cues and more flexible pricing option, making it a notable upgrade over the previous Punch EV. Now let's talk about its range. We got the Punch EV in the Supernova color option, equipped with a 40 kilowatt battery, and when we received this unit, it was 99% charged. The company claimed this battery packs deliver a range of 468 km. However, during our drive, with 64% battery still remaining, we had covered almost 100 kilometers so far. Though you cannot test the accurate mileage in a few hours drive, however, this may give you a rough idea of mileage. So लोगों को एक जनरली क्वेश्चन होता है कि what kind of feature will we get if we buy its base variant? So the base specs smart variant of the new Tata Punch EV comes with feature such as 6 airbags, automatic climate control, front power window, a height adjustable driver seat and an electric release for the tailgate. Now as its price increases, its feature will also increase. For example, the mid-spec variant get additional comfort feature like toggle switches for power windows, cruise control, paddle shifters and central locking. Tata Motors has kept certain premium features such as a single pen sunroof, ventilated front seat, leatherette upholstery and a rear center armrest exclusive to the top specs Empowered Plus S variant. So this is my first impression of Tata Punch EV facelift version. If you have any question or you want to drop your thoughts about it, then you can ask us in comment box. It is all yours. Stay tuned to NDTV Gadget 360 for more such interesting content.